In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Kit to Squarespace. The goal is simple. You will build a form in your Kit account, copy the embed code, and then place it on a page in your Squarespace site so visitors can submit it right away. First, open your Kit account and locate the section for creating landing pages and forms. In the Kit dashboard, go to Grow, then select Landing Pages and Forms. This is where Kit handles the form builder and the embed options. When you get there, click Create New. After that, you will be asked to choose your form style. Take a moment to pick the style that matches the look you want. Selecting the form style is important because it determines the layout and overall appearance before you even add your fields. Once you have designed your form, you are ready to embed it. Look for the Embed option, usually in the top right area of the form editor. Click Embed, and then choose JavaScript. Kit will generate a code snippet for you. Your next task is to copy the code snippet exactly as it appears. Make sure you copy the full block, since missing even one line can prevent the form from loading correctly on your website. After copying, keep that code handy because you will paste it into Squarespace in just a moment. Now you will move over to your site editor in Squarespace. Log into Squarespace and navigate to the page where you want the form to appear. This could be a landing page, a contact page, or any page where you want visitors to be able to submit information. Take a moment here to confirm you are on the correct page, since the embedded form will only show where you place it. Once you are in the right page editor, find where you want the form to live on the page. Click an insert point, which appears as a plus icon, often labeled with a plus sign. From the options that appear, select Code Block. Squarespace uses the code block element to safely place custom scripts on a page. This step matters because the form will not work if you try to paste the JavaScript into a normal text area. When the code block opens, you might see placeholder text inside it. Delete any placeholder text so the block is clean. Then paste your Kit JavaScript snippet into the code block. Be careful during paste, since sometimes formatting or extra characters can sneak in. After pasting, click Apply so Squarespace saves the code inside the element. Next, save your page in the Squarespace editor. Click Save, then proceed to publish your site. Publishing is the step that makes the changes go live, so the form becomes accessible to visitors. If you do not publish, the form will not be visible on the live version of your site. That is everything you need to know to connect Kit to Squarespace. Once the site is published, visit your page to confirm the form loads properly and submissions work as expected. And that covers everything you need to know.